Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial, and today I'm going to be talking about Robinhood Markets Inc., and they trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol HOOD. I have been looking into the company following their earnings this past week, and I see a lot of potential for a acquisition target. I personally don't find Robinhood's current business model favorable as they are losing boatloads of money. However, they have a very attractive stock platform, and I think that they could be a very attractive acquisition target for a larger company. As such, I think that that's what we're going to be looking at and discussing today. So the first thing that I would highlight is following their earnings last week, Robinhood performed very, very poorly. So you can see on the earnings consensus estimate, they were expecting to be between -2 and -34 cents a share, and they came in on the higher side at -22 cents a share. However, that doesn't really tell the whole story. If you go into the income statement, you can see that the company over the past 4 quarters have been losing a lot of money at the same time that their total revenue has been declining. Now you may look and see some incredibly high revenue numbers, including a very attractive growth story quarter over quarter in Q1 and Q2 of last year. This was heavily driven by the crypto markets, in particular Dogecoin. You can see that the company did very, very well, and as some of that excitement dropped off, that so did the revenue. As such, you can see that some of that money went directly to the total net income, where they were losing billions of dollars in Q3 and another $423 million loss in total net income in Q4 2021. So not only is the company declining in terms of total revenue, but they are losing a ton of money accordingly. Again, total net income $423 million on total revenue of $363 million. So they are losing a ton of money. A lot of that research and money that currently is going into the platform is being plowed directly into research and development, of which point in time we are seeing a lot of benefits from the platform, a lot of items coming through. However, not enough, in my opinion, to generate $280 million in one quarter, and the quarter before in $680 million. So there's a lot going on there that I am not a fan of. So at this point in time, though, if you look at the overall company, we can look at the valuation. You can see that they are trading largely in line with or directly below some of the price to sales and price to book ratios that you see in the industry. However, they are significantly lower than much of the companies or much of the industry in profitability, and in growth rate, they are actually showing declines across the board. As such, I have a lot of concerns with the company. However, one of the things that is interesting to note is that they have a significant number of users on their platform. And we just saw this past week, Wealthfront was acquired for $1.1 billion. So if I'm looking at Robinhood Markets and they have a significant number of assets under management, AUM, a number of users on their platform, largely driven by Gen Z and millennials, it makes for a very attractive story. We saw this happen a number of years ago when there was the merger-acquisition of TD Ameritrade, by which I am showcasing the platform today, and Charles Schwab. So there's an interest to consolidate in the industry, and as such, I could see Robinhood coming in and being acquired as well. That being said, I believe that a acquisition price for this company would be closer to $8 to $10 a share. That's just my opinion, based on their assets under management, the users on their platform as well. At this point in time, if the company continues to lose money, it will continue to drive the stock lower. However, due to the nature of the market environment, I'm not in the position where I'm looking to short a company like Robinhood, notably due to the fact that they are so much lower on the calendar year or even over the past 3 months. Again, if you look at the charts and see their 1 month performance or even their year to date, you can see that the company has had quite the decline. And as such, I'm not looking to necessarily go after this or look to make a move on a company like you see here. So that being said, I think that there's a lot of potential for Robinhood stock. I'm just not willing to make a move at this point in time. So if you found this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.